Best deals. Clean your home using these strong durable cleaning brush, mops, wipers, and turn your cleaning work easy and quick without any hassle. All the product links are given in the description. 1. Fan Cleaner. Equipped with unique cleaning head, designed to clean ceiling fan without using ladder, walls, baseboards, moldings, windows, blinds, tile, floor, no more ladders or chair to clean your ceiling fan. Also for those hard to reach spider webs in the corner ceiling areas, excellent for cleaning washable wallpaper, baseboards, woodwork, doors, wall coverings, and baseboards. A thick rubber blade won't leave smudges and won't scratch your tiles or windows. Floor, 3-in-1 cleaning tool. It's strong and durable, offers a versatile usage while cleaning. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Gap Duster. Featuring innovative split fiber technology, the duster becomes electrostatically charged as you use it, attracting dust and hairs with ease. Use it wet or dry to get your house spick and span. Lightweight, sturdy and durable microfiber long duster with telescoping pole with long handle helps you reach into corners and gaps. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Feather Duster. Provides efficient dusting of ceilings, walls, window blinds, and furniture, ensuring cleaning of hard-to-reach areas. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Cleaning Brush. Crafted using cutting-edge technology, this push broom brush is built to last, in terms of durability and performance. Whether it's stubborn grass, soil, sands, snow, or leaves that tend to stick to the ground, this broom tackles them all. It's strong and durable. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Spin Mop. The user-friendly spin mop helps save time and energy, supports 360-degree hassle-free deep cleaning and is suitable for wet and dry use. The mop head is made from non-abrasive and lint-free microfiber and it comes with an auto-fold plastic extendable handle. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Flat Mop. The handle of this cleaning mop is made of stainless steel, which is very durable. Premium mop pads have good water absorption and can quickly absorb oil, beverage and seasoning stains. Good at picking up hair, dust, debris and small particles. Mop pads are washable and reusable. See less. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Squeegee. Perfect cleaning tool for any surface in your home. Whether you have hardwood floors, tile, carpet, or rugs, it is designed to tackle any mess. And it doesn't stop there. With its versatile design, it can also clean windows. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Car Wash Brush. The mop head is ultra soft, scratch-free, lint-free and swirl-free. Product link is given in the eighth link. 9. Car Duster. Enjoy detaching microfiber strands base, an extendable telescopic handle, and a storage case for convenient car and home cleaning. Product link is given in the ninth link. 10. Floor Cleaning Brush. Long-handled brush for designed with 45 degrees, 90 degrees, 180 degrees rotatable head to provide any angle for your cleaning job. Helps you to clean corners and grooves easily and quickly, suitable for cleaning bathtubs, tiles, floors. Scrubber with handle is made of high-quality materials and is robust and durable. The cleaning brush is also equipped with a non-slip ever handle and a hanging hole. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Vacuum Cleaner. Powerful suction for whole home cleaning. Advanced filtration captures allergens and expels cleaner air, lightweight and ergonomic to clean high-up places with one smooth motion. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Mesh Cleaning Brush. Made of neutral fiber material are soft, dense, wet and dry dual purpose. It can be used dry for light dusting and maintenance cleaning. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Microfiber Mop. Versatile floor cleaning tool that sweeps, cleans and polishes with one tool, protect baseboards and furniture from dings and scratches. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Cleaning Brush. Use for carpet, bed, sofa, mattress, car seat, curtain, dust cleaner for home. It has strong bristles. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Flat Mop. Used for dry mopping as well as wet mopping, also used to clean walls, ceilings, glass windows. Superior microfiber technology helps in trapping fine dirt, easily cleans dirt, dust, hair, pet hairs and dander, comes with height adjustable telescopic handle, ensures it reaches nooks and corners easily, can be maneuvered easily in different directions as per user's convenience. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Duster. With extension pole is electrostatic adsorption to avoid fly dust. And the microfiber quality is good, no need to worry about loose hair. And they are soft and scratch resistant. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Steam mop. With a super quick 20-second heat up time and 1300W powerful steam, mop your floors spotlessly clean in one swipe. With a 5 meters long cord, Steam Mop Swipe provides the freedom to clean without the hassle of constantly switching outlets or overextending yourself. Transition seamlessly from hard floors to carpets with a carpet glider attachment, ensuring a thorough cleaning throughout your home. Steam naturally sanitizes surfaces, killing 99.99% of bacteria and germs, and deodorizes floors, making it an environment-friendly choice. Mop Swipe does not use any chemicals, making it ideal for kids or pets who eat off the floor. It helps you keep your house not only germ-free but also chemical-free so you do not have to tolerate any strong odor, provides excellent cleaning performance by trapping dirt, dust, and debris efficiently. Eco-friendly microfiber pads can be reused and washed, reducing waste, safe to use on hardwood, tile, laminate, and other surfaces without scratching. Ergonomic design makes it easy to handle, reducing strain on your back and arms. Built to last with high-quality materials, ensuring long-term use. Extendable handle to accommodate different user heights and preferences. Reduces the need for harsh chemicals, as the microfiber effectively cleans with just water. Designed with a self-wringing mechanism, allowing you to clean without touching the dirty mop head. Built with sturdy materials for long-lasting use. Lightweight design with a comfortable grip handle for easy maneuverability. Quick and simple to attach and remove from the mop frame. Ideal for homes, offices, schools, commercial spaces. Ideal for a wide range of cleaning tasks, from daily maintenance to occasional deep cleaning. Long handle allows you to clean high and low areas without strain or the need for additional tools. The handle's ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip, enabling extended cleaning sessions. Mop will not scratch the floors, is safe for all floor surfaces, such as wood, laminate, tiles, marble, ceramic floors, composite floors and even ceilings. Product link is given in the 17th link.